You are going to love the 2018
Jaguar XE. The Jaguar XE is built to exceed all expectations of a compact luxury sports sedan. The XE combines technology and performance that meet the high level of excellence you come to expect from Jaguar. Its sleek exterior is sure to turn some heads.
and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, rain sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes, rear fog light, rear window defroster, low tire pressure warning. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.